I come to this noodles place all the time, specifically for the beef brisket noodles and their pork chops.
I saw the part of you that only when you're older you.
Their coffee packs a punch too. Located at Louis de Camois, Bagapsao Gongyun, Gisun has been around for 75 years. At 6 p.m. they were closing and the shop was empty, but the boss still made me a dish. I was their last customer for the day. This moms and pop shop started as a cart noodle stand back in 1949 by the owner's grandmother.
Go forward slowly, it's not a race to the end.
其實最歷史悠久係全餐店好耐。
But it's somebody else, only it ain't on.
新鮮牛腩嚟啊，雪腩嘅味道唔同啊嘛。
Oh yes, their ingredients are always fresh, especially their beef brisket, which is never frozen.
唔該，老闆。
I always get their brisket noodles paired with their homemade chili soy sauce, coffee, and a side of pork chop. This is my perfect meal.
You were the better part of every bit of beating all that I had, whatever I had.
Freshness in every bite. Noodles al dente, tender and juicy pork chop. Everything just has an authentic feel to it. The noodles was only 28 MOP, which was only $3.50.
葉硬結係啊，傑順啦，
傑順啊，
順順利利啊。
係啊，一開始嘅時候咩年份開始嘅？
如果呢度鋪頭就33年啦，以前賣街邊啊嘛。
街邊叫咩名？
街邊文記啊，個人係唔姓乜嘢，叫乜嘢名嘅嗰啲㗎嘛。
咁一開始嘅時候係邊個開始先㗎？
我嫲就開始，
你阿嫲啊嘛？
應該係1949。
哦，
嗰邊大士頭嗰邊咧。
咁呢個最拿手係車仔麵係嘛？
係啊，
最多人點係乜嘢？最多人點？
一般都好均勻嘅，因為啲嘢都有一定嘅水準啦。
Else, only it ain't on the surface. The way you talk like it sound, no way.
The next morning, right before 7 a.m., I was the first customer to arrive.
嚟啦，
唔該。
嚟啦，來啦。
And the wife made me a hot plate of noodles with everything on it.
You were the better part of every bit of beating all that I had, whatever I had. I finally
Cleared it. This only cost 25 MOP, $3. They're open every day from 7 a.m. till 6 p.m.